to abide by Lagos State government decision. Stand up. Progress. Press conference. This press conference of today, 23rd September, is to debunk TUC claim over Road Transport Employers Association of Nigeria suspension stroke ban. Reference: TUC's planned protest in Lagos. LASPAGA debunks TUC's claim. The attention of the leadership of the Lagos State Parks and Garages Administrators, LASPAGA, has been drawn to a news of a purported planned protest in Lagos State on Monday, September 25, 2003 by the Trade Union Congress, TUC. This news to us is not only disturbing but also debasing and demeaning the position of the mother body to be relegated to chasing shadows. All the schemes to cause chaos and pandemonium in the state of excellence by the leadership of the TUC in the guise of protest is not alien to us. We are familiar with the intrigues of Alhaji Musa Muhammad and his cohorts in the trade union. To us, the planned protest is a case of weeping more than the bereaved. To put the record straight, the 18th of April judgment of the National Industrial Court, NIC, does not by any means affect the creation of LASPAGA. As a matter of fact, there is still a pending case at the Court of Appeal where the verdict of the NLC is being appealed. TUC, as a respected organization, should understand the procedures of the court and should therefore respect it. We, however, urge the leadership of the TUC to get their facts right before holding a headless protest. The public should be in the know that a house divided by itself cannot stand. It is crystal clear that the Road Transport Employers Association of Nigeria itself is suffering from internal conflicts, which has led to the body having fractions and factions. The organization has admitted some infiltrators who are dragging it to the mud, and unfortunately, TUC keeps falling prey of their mischievous acts. We wish to advise Comrade Festus Osifo-led TUC as an umbrella body that instead of protesting and intending causing Lagosians lots of trouble, such energy should be deployed to put its house in order. Additionally, at this juncture, we need to state very emphatically that the suspension of Road Transport Employers Association of Nigeria in Lagos was orchestrated by we, the members in Lagos State. The Lagos State members were tired of Alhaji Musa Muhammad leadership. Reckless and unholy behaviors. The Lagos State members were tired of Alhaji Musa Muhammad leadership. Reckless and unholy behaviors, abuse of office, divide and rule amongst many, which has brought retrogression to the body. All of this built up dislike for him led to the fracas which caused many lives that occurred at Yanoba area of Lagos. It was this lingering crisis that prompted the Lagos State government to intervene so as not to allow the situation to degenerate into breakdown of law and order in the state. It was the critical forensic of the conflict that led to the suspension of the association in the state as a proactive government. The question begging for answer then is why protest for another's ineptitude? In times past, the TUC is known to be a pro-masses organization that genuinely supports the will of the ordinary people. The fundamental objective and mandate of the TUC is to protect workers from exploitation, marginalization, and tyranny. However, we are shocked that some unscrupulous people have hijacked the organization for the selfish and personal gains, putting the integrity of the organization in the line. We advise that the TUC review their actions very thoroughly to save the remaining respect people have for them. In conclusion, we wish to reiterate that the existence of LASPAGA is in line with the pronouncement of Lagos State government. We therefore urge the TUC president and his cohorts to abort their planned protest and not to allow itself to be dragged into the stormy water of the transport union by Alhaji Musa Muhammad, who is the national treasurer of the TUC, as it will only amount to acting in contradiction with the rulings of the court. As a matter of fact, holding a protest of such nature on a Monday in Lagos is targeted at truncating the serenity enjoyed and will forever be enjoyed in the state. Signed, all members of Lagos State Parks and Garages Administration of Lagos State. Progress!